Alright, I almost forgot about this, but I am filming the all the audio and visual effects on the Spengler Neutrona wand. So, first off, so it does have a release for the tube in the end. You just pull back on this. Let me try to get the whole thing. Pull back on this. Pops out. One really nice design feature is that the tip here is rubber, so that is not going to break on people. All the welding is fake, of course, but it's plastic and it does help. It does help make it feel a little more solid. The spring-loaded mechanism here is nice and soft, like it's padded with some foam on the inside, so it doesn't make a loud snap sound of plastic on plastic. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, I'll pop this one up first. That turns on the lights. Here, I'll actually illustrate that. So the first sequence, boot up sequence, is this. So that turns it on. That starts the sounds. And then that starts the lights, which is why I like to flip that one on first. So I top one and then bottom, so it feels more like a proper boot up sequence. And then, of course, the activate over here. It starts to vibrate as soon as you turn the activate switch on. It's a very low vibration hum at first, and you can hear it. The knob on the top turns it up. Makes it shake more violently and be a little louder. And then there's the intensify button. So if you can see that, if you make that out okay, it pulses down the tube. So you get little violet there you go. So it has an overheat function as well. When you hold it down long enough, it overheats just like with a GB fans board. So yeah, it's an orange. The tube glows orange, and then a violet pulse goes down the end intermittently. So it makes it look like there's a beam pulsing down. The way you switch modes is the hat light here on the end. Oh, hold on. Oh. Battery seems to have gone out. Give me a second. There we go. I just froze it up. Okay, so the hat light switches modes. Right now it's on proton pack mode. Now it's on slime mode. So look at the slime blower. I think you can slime indefinitely, because I don't think the video... Oh, no, never mind. Oh, the whole thing... That's the... Okay, that's the overheat. You gotta switch the whole thing off and back on again when it overheats. That's kind of interesting in a roleplay capacity. Alright. So it's back to proton mode, slime mode. We're on dark matter generator mode, so stasis field. And then this last mode, I always forget the name of. It's that last one you earn in the game, though. That little like homing dart thing. So pretty fun. All right, the rest of these lights don't do anything. So yeah, that's it. There's other videos on how to take this thing apart and change things out. So I think that's might be all you need. Now this was oversaturated, like it lets in a lot of light. So there might be better videos out here demoing it, but it looks really nice. It's as good or better than any of the fan builds I've seen. Hope that helped.